The Nothing Phone 2 is the latest smartphone from the upstart brand Nothing. It's a follow-up to the popular Nothing Phone 1, and it builds on the strengths of its predecessor while adding some new features. A revolutionary device that challenges the traditional notion of smartphones by offering a minimalist approach to modern communication. Embodying simplicity and elegance, the Nothing Phone 2 provides a refreshing alternative to the feature-packed smartphones saturating the market. With its sleek and uncluttered appearance, the device exudes an air of elegance and sophistication. Stripping away excessive features and distractions, the phone's clean lines and understated aesthetics create a sense of calm and focus, allowing users to escape the digital noise that often permeates our lives. One of the most striking things about the Nothing Phone 2 is its design. The back of the phone is made of transparent glass, which reveals the phone's internals. This gives the phone a unique look, and it allows you to see the phone's 900 LED lights, which light up in different patterns to indicate notifications. The Gliph Interface is a unique and innovative feature that adds a touch of personality to the Nothing Phone 2. It's a great way to see your notifications, charge your phone, and even create custom ringtones. The Gliph lights can light up in different patterns to indicate different types of notifications, such as calls, texts, emails, and social media updates. For example, a single flash might indicate a missed call, while a pulsing pattern might indicate a new text message. If you need a quick light, you can turn on the Gliph lights to use them as a torch. The lights will shine brightly, making it easy to see in the dark. While traditional smartphones boast an array of features and functionalities, the Nothing Phone 2 takes a different approach. It focuses on providing essential communication tools without the superfluous distractions. By streamlining the device's capabilities, users can enjoy a pared-down experience that prioritizes the core functions of a mobile phone, making calls, sending messages, and accessing necessary apps, all without the overwhelming abundance of unnecessary features. The Nothing Phone 2 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is one of the most powerful mobile processors available. This means that the phone is capable of handling even the most demanding tasks, such as gaming and video editing. The phone also has 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage. The Nothing Phone 2 has a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. This means that the display is very smooth and responsive, making it great for gaming and watching videos. It has a resolution of 2412 x 1080 pixels and a pixel density of 394 ppi. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. You can enjoy HDR movies thanks to supports HDR10+ and peak brightness of 1600 nits. Phone is also very responsive, with a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz. The Nothing Phone 2 has a dual camera system on the back, consisting of a 50MP main sensor and a 50MP ultra-wide sensor. The main sensor is capable of capturing 12.5MP images by default, but can also be used to capture 50MP images. The ultra-wide sensor has a 114-degree field of view. It is capable of capturing 12.5MP images by default, but can also be used to capture 50MP images. The Nothing Phone 2 also has a 32MP front-facing camera. The camera system can record 4K video at up to 60 FPS and slow-mo 480 FPS. The camera has been praised for its overall performance, with particular attention being paid to its image quality in low-light conditions. However, some reviewers have noted that the camera can be slow to focus in certain situations. Overall, the Nothing Phone 2 camera is a solid performer that is capable of taking great photos and videos. However, it is not the best camera on the market, and there are a few areas where it could be improved. The Nothing Phone 2 runs on Nothing OS, which is a custom version of Android 12. Nothing OS is designed to be clean and simple, with a focus on user experience. The phone also comes with a number of features that are exclusive to Nothing OS, such as the Gliph Interface and the Tesla integration. Keeping up with the demands of modern users, the Nothing Phone 2 features a substantial battery that ensures all-day usage. Whether you're streaming media, browsing the internet, or engaging in heavy tasks, the phone's optimized power management keeps you going. Additionally, the device supports fast charging and even wireless charging, providing convenience and flexibility for users on the move. The Nothing Phone 2 is available for purchase now. It starts at $599 for the 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. In a nutshell, reasons to buy: a Gliph Interface, Nothing OS 2.0, all-day battery life, price to compete, reasons to skip, slippery to hold, only splash resistant, no camera optical zoom. The Nothing Phone 2 is a great choice for anyone who wants a stylish and powerful mid-range phone. It's not the cheapest phone on the market, but it's worth the price if you're looking for a phone that looks good and performs well. Overall, the Nothing Phone 2 is a great phone that offers a unique design, powerful performance, sleek and stylish looks, a great camera, and clean and simple software. If you're looking for a new phone that stands out from the crowd, the Nothing Phone 2 is a great option. That's it for this review. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more valuable content in the future. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. See you in the next one.